Stay hydrated. It is extremely important that you drink water every single day and keep yourself hydrated. This is because your body contains synovial fluid, which lubricates and reduces friction between tissues and cartilage. So keeping yourself hydrated will synthesize the synovial fluid. And I can assure you, nothing tastes better than a cold glass of water when you're thirsty on a hot summer day. There are also all sorts of other health benefits that water has. There's a reason it is so good for us. According to Healthline, our bodies are made up of approximately 60% water. That is a huge number, so it's no wonder why it's so good for us. Water can also help improve your physical performance and keep you energized. It plays a key role in your brain function and can also play a role in your mood because of the effect it has on energy levels. And if you tend to experience headaches or migraines, studies suggest that drinking lots of water can help relieve them. Water also helps relieve constipation, decreases the risk of kidney stones, and can help with weight loss. 2. Take more vitamin C. By increasing your vitamin C intake, it will prevent the process which causes inflammation to occur in the body. The best sources for vitamin C are strawberries, broccoli, oranges, and tomatoes. These may not be at the top of the list for foods you like to consume, but down the road, your joints, tendons, and ligaments will thank you for staying healthy. Vitamin C is also a very strong antioxidant that can improve your body's immune system and strengthen your natural defenses. This is because antioxidants can help protect cells from harmful molecules. These harmful molecules are called free radicals. Free radicals are known to cause oxidative stress, which has been linked to certain chronic diseases. According to Healthline, research suggests that if you consume a lot of vitamin C, your blood antioxidant levels can increase by up to 30%. This can help your body fight against inflammation. Vitamin C can also help lower blood pressure, fight heart disease, and even lower the risk for heart disease. What is more, vitamin C can help prevent iron deficiency because it is essential in making red blood cells and helps transport oxygen throughout our body. Did you know that there is a very special natural drink that can provide relief and improve the condition of your muscles and joints? Keep listening until the end to find out what it is. 3. Add protein to your diet. The best way to increase your protein intake is through meats. They are packed with protein and other essential nutrients. Protein will provide the body with the necessary amino acids that will synthesize the cartilage and speed up the recovery time of lesions. If you are not a big meat fan, you can replace it with other rich protein sources like fish, nuts, and legumes. Protein will also go a long way if you are trying to increase strength and muscle. Protein is the building block of muscles, bones, blood, and skin. Not only does protein increase muscle mass and strength, but it can also help you maintain muscle mass when you lose weight. Not only can protein help improve your overall bodily functions, but it can help reduce cravings, and which can help you if you are trying to lose weight. One great way to reduce or eliminate your cravings is to increase your protein intake. By increasing your protein intake, you can also boost your metabolism and increase the amount of fat your body burns. So, if you are trying to lose weight or rebuild your cartilage or ligaments, increase your protein intake. 4. Add bluefish to your diet. To stop the synthesis of inflammation, consume bluefish. Bluefish also prevents negative effects of oxidative processes that occur during exercise on the body's cell membranes as well. Try to consume bluefish at least twice a week, and some good sources are tuna, sardines, and salmon. According to Dr. Mehmet Oz, MD, bluefish is rich in vitamin D. Vitamin D can reduce the risk of developing the flu and is also great for your bones. Because it plays a key role in good bone health, you should consider adding it to your diet if you want to strengthen your knees and tougher parts of your body. Medical News Today also states that vitamin D can help with cancer prevention and is known to reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease, multiple sclerosis, hypertension, rheumatoid arthritis, and more. Now that you know how certain tips, foods, and nutrients can help improve your health and strengthen your cartilages and ligaments, here is the special natural drink which can help improve the condition of your muscles and joints. 5. Add more allium vegetables to your diet. Allium vegetables are rich in sulfur, which is essential when forming collagen and other nutrients that our bones, joints, ligaments, and tendons need. Extensive research has shown that when the body has low sulfur levels, the joint repair process is slowed down. Allium vegetables include veggies like garlic, onion, chives, scallions, shallots, and leeks.